In a bubbly jungle, a silly parrot named Pip loved to mimic sounds. One day he heard a frog croaking loudly by the pond and thought, "Time for some fun!" Pip practiced to croak until it was perfect, then flew to a tree near a napping lion named Leo. While Leo snoozed, Pip let out a huge cry. Leo jumped up, thinking a giant frog was nearby. He tiptoed to the pond, peeking behind bushes, only to find tiny frogs giggling, confused. Leo scratched his mane. Pip, hiding above, croaked again, and Leo spun around, tripping over a root and landing in a pile of soft leaves with a puff. The jungle, animals, monkeys, turtles, and zebras roared with laughter. Pip couldn't hold it in anymore and swooped down, squawking. It was me, Leo. Leo, covered in leaves, chuckled and said, "You tricky bird, I'll get you back." The animals decided to throw a jungle talent show instead, where Pip mimicked everyone's sounds and Leo pretended to be a scary frog. The jungle rang with giggles, and Pip learned to use his tricks to make everyone smile. From then on, Pip's funny sounds brought the jungle together for endless fun.